demonstrate scaling on the anterior teeth. So using my H5 anterior scaler, so we can see this one has a nice straight shank that's in the same plane as the handle. So we have a simple shanked instrument here, best used for anterior teeth. It is a scaler as the tip of the instrument comes to a point, not a curve like in a curette. So best used supragingivally or above the gum line. So for anterior teeth, we're going to start mid-tooth. So the technique is very similar to what we do with our Dental Explorer. So starting at the midline of the tooth, again, you want to roll that tip 1/3 towards the tooth to keep that tip 1/3 adapted, and then start rocking and rolling and pivoting on the fulcrum. So then if I were working on the anterior teeth, I would, similar to the Explorer, do all of my surfaces towards me. From right now, I'm sitting at about a 10 or 11 o'clock position. Turn my patient from mid-tooth. Again, turn the tip towards the tooth to get that tip nicely adapted. Start my rocking, rolling, all the way into the call. Okay, so now I would do, if I had already come all the way across, but I just did these 3 teeth. So I'm gonna go back and do my surfaces away. So I'm gonna reposition myself and my patient slightly. Patient's looking more straight up and down. I'm coming more from, a 12 o'clock position. So now, instead of going mesial, I'm going to turn my tip in the direction which I will be going, moving, which will be towards the distal aspects of tooth numbers 9, 10, and 11. Starting mid-tooth, place the tip, turn it towards the tooth, start my rocking, rolling, pivoting. Back to mid-tooth, get those good crossover strokes. Rocking, rolling, pivoting. And again, you want to stay on the very tip of the scaler, which is just the first couple millimeters of that cutting edge.